Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by the 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful days, not necessarily just the day, but the past couple of days. You look down here, you can see volume has picked things up quite a bit. But the volume isn't necessarily the most interesting part. The part that stands out to me is that the prices at least finally started to go sideways for a couple of days. And that may seem like not that big of a deal, but keep in mind 127 right there. But why is that a big deal? Well, I mean, just look at the context of things. This thing has been in a very, very nasty downwards move for quite a while. So given that context, yeah, even just sideways price movements is definitely a step in the right direction. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the prices finally started to go sideways after getting beat down and down does not mean that this is for sure guaranteed the bottom. Now, is it at least is it at least a rational thought to have? Yeah, absolutely. Case in point, let's just say you're watching this and the price was still looking like this and going down. I'm saying, hey, it's looking like it could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally just dropping straight. But obviously, right, that's not the case here. The case here is the price has at least started to go sideways. So again, guaranteed bottom? No. A valid thought to have, a rational thought to have, absolutely. But that is also why $1.27 is so important going forward, because if this is the bottom, well then it needs to remain the bottom. And how do you define quote unquote remain the bottom? Well, the price needs to stay up above that $1.27 mark. So if the price just, destroys that and goes to the downside, flushes down through $1.27, well, at that point, then, that would not be, that would be a signal that, okay, well, this was just a temporary breath and the downtrend has resumed. Now, in the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, the main level to keep an eye on is right here at the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And the key dynamic is not necessarily breaking up above it, because right there showed that the price, it's not a matter of can the price break above it, but can the price stay above it? That is the key dynamic to watch going forward. So keep an eye on that. But yeah, definitely an interesting scenario here. Price started to go sideways, trying to chip away, trying to fortify this $1.27 mark. So we'll see if this is indeed some sort of leading indicator of a bigger bounce to come to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.